Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. What are you doing now?
I'm trying to improve my English
That's great. Why do you want to learn English?
because I want to travel and find better opportunities.
That's a very good reason. How long have you been learning English?
For about 6 months.
Do you study every day?
Yes, but only for a short time.
Consistency is more important than time.
I understand, but sometimes I feel tired.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short break and then continue.
That sounds helpful.
Do you practice speaking?
Not much. I feel shy.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes at the beginning.
It's still difficult for me.
Try speaking with yourself every day.
That's a good idea.
What is the hardest part for you?
Listening is very hard for me.
You should listen to simple English every day.
Like what?
Short videos and basic conversations.
I will try that.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
I will remember that.
Keep going and never give up.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, anytime.
See you later.
See you.